Good morning from paradise. We are here at Aulani. Welcome to the Imagination channel. We're starting our day at the pool, and it's actually windy, and we're expecting a lot of rain today, but we're gonna enjoy as much as we can tolerate today. So we'll see how it goes. I think we're gonna start off our day in the lazy river.
And it's pretty quiet right now because it is kind of chilly with the wind. How's the water temp, honey?
It's decent. It's bearable.
See how windy it is by the trees blowing.
Still feels nice, but you can tell by like you can't even see any blue skies because it's just one big cloud right now. But it's still warm, like warm-ish, with some wind. And if you're wondering why I don't have my phone in the case, it's because I could take better pictures when my phone's not in the case, and I know where all the water features are here. So.
Risky.
I know, risky.
Leaving your ears on, huh, honey?
I can avoid the waterfalls, but I think I'll put them away after our first round of, on the Waikolohe. I don't know. After this round, I'll put it away. Going inside the volcano feels more ominous because of this weather. How's it going, honey?
Good. Not bad.
I know, I'm surprised the river's not busier.
Probably the wind.
Yeah. It's really not that bad, you guys.
Round one. You gonna put your ears away?
Sean is being so sweet and putting my ears away. I gotta get his raft. And he's back. So we don't have many plans today. There were a couple of things that I wanted to do while we're here on the island, but we'll see. We'll see if we reach them. It's been so nice to just relax and go with the flow on this trip, because usually when we come here, our itinerary is like jam-packed and we never have like enough time at the resort. But I feel like for this trip, we've been having like a really good balance of relaxing and going out to do things. How you doing, honey? Chilling. My phone is safely protected in its pouch, and even though phones are like water resistant, waterproof now, I didn't want to like have to wait for the port to dry to charge my phone when I need to charge it. So yeah. I think we did like 5 or 6 rounds going through the lazy river. Now we are in a different pool.
Big pool.
Yeah, the bigger pool.
Chill.
Yeah. There's still no blue skies. It's like one big sheet of cloud. So
It hasn't rained yet.
I could have sworn that we felt droplets because we relaxed a little bit on the lounge chairs. So I could definitely feel or sense that it's coming soon. So we're gonna enjoy this this pool for as long as we can. Then I think we're gonna go to Jen's Korean BBQ because they have a location in Kapolei, so I'm so excited. Sean hasn't ate there before, but it's like unlimited barbecue and it's so bomb, you guys. The pools have been quiet, like even the lazy river was quiet. There are plenty of open seats, so I don't know if it's like discouraging people from relaxing or the resort's just not as busy. So I'm enjoying it though, for real. Like I get social anxiety when it's like super busy anywhere. So it's been nice. We have our own little corner of the pool. Let me show you the sky so you can see what it looks like. Very ominous looking. No blue skies in sight. Just thick clouds everywhere.
Yeah, I don't think I'm getting out.
Feel the rain's coming.
Oh yeah, I can see it now too. I don't think you can see it on camera yet, but...
Oh, but if you look at the water, you can see the ripples. There's nobody here. Okay, we'll probably see you inside.
From here it doesn't look too bad, but the poolside, it is windy over there. We are hungry, so we're gonna head over to Jen's Korean BBQ. It is still raining outside. Check that out. All right, well, I hope you guys are hungry too, because you're gonna eat with us. Well, my shoes are, oh my god, they are soaked. And it's crazy because I'm wearing Hoka Bondi 8s. So, you know, they have like a thick sole, but they're soaked. We're gonna go back to the hotel and dry out there. And then we'll probably come back out. This isn't like a little bit of rain, you guys. This is like, I don't know how to explain it. It's I've never experienced rain like this. Like, yeah. How you feeling, honey?
Drenched.
Yeah, like we were.
I fell in the pool.
We were out there walking to our car in like 15 seconds, and we're like drenched as if we took a shower outside. Oh my gosh. My poor shoes. I gotta dry them out before Saturday when we fly back home. It's been raining for hours. And like even when we were sitting in the restaurant, there was water coming through the windows and falling all over the place. So Yeah, I don't think this type of rain is normal for this area for an extended period of time like how it's been raining. All right, round 2, we are done resting. It is not raining anymore and we are back out. So we made our way back to Foodland. We'll show you around what kind of groceries they have in here. They got Poke'e, snacks galore. Oh my god, so first stop is the bakery section, and the first thing that caught my eye is this ube chantilly cake. Definitely going in my cart here.
They have guava.
Ooh. I'll get this one. Oh my god, ube butter mochi. Ooh, look at these drinks. Ube coconut. Yay, I found the cookies that I like. So I love the cookies from Diamond Bakery. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. Pineapple. Yes. Oh. Oh my gosh, these look really good. Macadamia nut delights. Kona coffee, macadamia nut delights. Might have to get this one. I love these drinks. What is your favorite flavor? I really like strawberry guava nectar. Which one's your favorite, baby?
Pineapple orange.
Ooh, look at all these fun pancake flavors. Ube coconut. You're coming with me. Ooh, they've got some hot pot broths. They also have this ramen bay dried ramen toppings. I have this one, it's really good. Oh my gosh, look at this fun ice cream flavors. I really want to try the boba ube. That looks so good. Oh, they have all sorts of different ice cream flavors. That looks good too. Banana mac crunch.
Hawaiian ice cream.
I wish we were staying here like 3 or 4 more nights, then I would totally get ice cream. So we're here at Kapolei Target, and they have a pretty decent selection of different gifts that you can bring home for people. I'm the only one and I walk alone.
Why?
Because I was a loser. Even though the sound's gonna be garbled. What round is it? What round is it for? Oh.